Environmental Studies and E-Waste Management Module 2 BESK 508Q1. What is a natural resource? A resource produced in laboratories. B. A resource provided by the earth that is utilized by humans. C. A man made substance. D. A resource that never depletes. Answer B. A resource provided by the earth that is utilized by humans. Q2. What percentage of Earth's water is fresh water available for human consumption? A. 3%. B. 10%. C. 50%. D. 70%. Answer A. 3%. Q3. Which of the following is not a factor affecting water quality? A. Industrial waste. B. Agricultural runoff. C. Soil fertility. D. Over extraction of water. Answer C. Soil fertility. Q4. Which of the following is a waterborne disease? A. Tuberculosis. B. Cholera. C. Asthma. D. Skin cancer. Answer B. Cholera. Q5. Which microorganism is responsible for causing typhoid, a common waterborne disease? A. Fungi. B. Virus. C. Bacteria. D. Parasite. Answer C. Bacteria. Q6. Malaria is an example of A. Waterborne disease. B. Water-induced disease. C. Foodborne disease. D. Airborne disease. Answer B. Water-induced disease. Q7. Water-induced diseases are commonly associated with A. Water scarcity. B. Waterlogging and stagnant water. C. Drinking excessive water. D. Using salt water for irrigation. Answer B. Waterlogging and stagnant water. Or fluoride problem in drinking water. Q8. What health issue is caused by excessive fluoride in drinking water? A. Goiter. B. Fluorosis. C. Anemia. D. Jaundice. Answer B. Fluorosis. Q9. Fluoride contamination in water is mostly due to A. Overuse of fertilizers. B. Industrial discharge. C. Naturally occurring minerals. D. Deforestation. Answer C. Naturally occurring minerals. Q10. Which of the following is not a type of energy? A. Thermal energy. B. Kinetic energy. C. Magnetic energy. D. Momentum energy. Answer D. Momentum energy. Q11. What is the main source of energy on Earth? A. Nuclear energy. B. Solar energy. C. Wind energy. D. Geothermal energy. Answer B. Solar energy. Q12. Which of the following is a conventional source of energy? A. Solar power. B. Coal. C. Wind energy. D. Hydroelectric power. Answer B. Coal. Q13. Which of the following is an example of a non-conventional source of energy? A. Natural gas. B. Biomass energy. C. Petroleum. D. Nuclear energy. Answer B. Biomass energy. Q14. Solar energy is generated using A. Wind turbines. B. Photovoltaic cells. C. Water dams. D. Coal plants. Answer B. Photovoltaic cells. Q15. Which of the following is an advantage of solar energy? A. High operational cost. B. Requires no fuel. C. Releases toxic gases. D. Limited to nighttime use. Answer B. Requires no fuel. Q16. Wind energy is harnessed using A. Solar panels. B. Water mills. C. Wind turbines. D. Coal plants. Answer C. Wind turbines. Q17. A major advantage of wind energy is that it A. Produces greenhouse gases. B. Is highly reliable. C. Is renewable and clean. D. Requires a lot of water. Answer C. Is renewable and clean. Q18. What is the main challenge in using hydrogen as an alternative fuel? A. Limited availability of hydrogen. B. Difficulty in storing and transporting hydrogen. C. Low energy output. D. High production of CO2. Answer B. Difficulty in storing and transporting hydrogen. Q19. Hydrogen fuel is most commonly produced from A. Water. B. Coal. C. Natural gas. D. Biomass. Answer C. Natural gas. Q20. Which of the following is not considered an alternative energy source? A. Wind energy. B. Fossil fuels. C. Solar energy. D. Geothermal energy. Answer B. Fossil fuels. Q21. Which of the following is the benefit of using alternative energy sources? A. Depletion of natural resources. B. Reduction in greenhouse gas emissions. C. Increased reliance on fossil fuels. D. Increase in global temperatures. Answer B. Reduction in greenhouse gas emissions.